Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to cover the Documents module within a specific project. To get to the Documents module, it will be the second item within the project navigation on the left-hand side of your screen. When you select the documents, you'll be brought to the Documents Overview page. What you'll see on the left-hand side of the screen is a folder branch of all your different folders. If you select a specific folder, it's going to update your display on the right to show all of the folders within that subfolder. If you want to create a new folder, go to the Add button in the center of the screen, select the drop-down arrow and New Folder. You can then give your name to your new folder and hit Save. Once that new folder is created, you can see it'll be added to the overall folder list. On the right-hand side, you can see different options of if you need to modify that folder for any specific reason. So if you want to make the folder private, move the folder to a different folder, or delete the folder completely, you have that option right here. To rename the folder, hit the pencil button, and you can give the folder a new name. If you want to download all the contents within that folder, you can select this icon right here with the download button. Once you're in the folder, to upload files, go back to the Add button and select Upload Files. You can then drag and drop or browse your computer for the specific files that you want to upload. Select those files, and once they are shown in here, you can either remove the file, or if it's the correct file, you can proceed to hit the Upload button. Your request will then be processed as those files are uploaded to the folder structure. Sometimes this will take a couple seconds depending on the overall size of the files you're uploading. It's important to note as you're uploading different files that the size limit is 200 total megabytes. One other thing I'd like to point out as you go to upload files are the different file types that you're able to do. You can do Excel files, PDFs, PowerPoints, Word documents, JPEGs, and MP4s. So a lot of different options in terms of the different files you can choose to upload. Once you've uploaded that file, on the right-hand side, you'll see similar options to the folder structure. If I select it, I can choose to make the specific file private, I can move the file, I can edit the name, or I can outright delete it. If I select the clock button here, it's basically going to give me a pop-up to show the different versions of the document. So this way, if I'm uploading different versions of the same document name, you only have one copy on the server, and it will show you what that most current version is. And in the same way, you have the option to download the button, or hit the download button to download all these specific files that you've selected. And that is everything related to documents.